This is my program for my personal project. Here we have a couple libraries that we need to import, as it allows us to do what we're going to do. Here's a definition that reads the data. Here's a definition that processes a set of data. Here's a definition that performs a Fourier transmission on a set of data. And this is where my code starts. Here is a definition that turns a .dat file, such as these, into two different data sets, with one being linearized and the other not, as shown here, with some integration along the way here. It also plots graphs, as shown here. Here I wrote another definition that further processes the two data sets, then subtracts it to get an exponential decay sine graph, with some integration along the way. I then graphed the data sets, as here. It also writes the processed linearized data set into a Excel file, as shown there. Next we have this, the next definition, which fits the function into this given function. These betas, there, and there, are 7/3. It was a given. Finally, I have a definition that writes all of the data into an Excel sheet called fsdp.csv. And if we run the program, we get some results, as shown here. These numbers are for debugging purposes. And then we get some interesting graphs here. And then if we go and look at the results, here, the fsdp.csv file, you get lots of data results here. This can, the amount of data files can be up and over 50. And if we look at one of these individual files, yeah, we have this data set. And thank you for watching.